Good day, everyone. My name is Dana Margotero. I'm from grade 3 Cherry. Today, I will be sharing how I practice 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. The 3 R's are important because they help us reduce waste, save resources, and protect our environment. Let me show you some simple ways I practice them at home. First is reduce. Reducing means using less and avoiding unnecessary waste. At home, I practice reducing by turning off the faucet when I am not using water and making sure that lights and appliances are turned off when they are not needed. Next is reuse. Reusing means using something again instead of throwing it away. For example, I use reusable water bottle and lunchbox. This is the water bottle and lunchbox I used when I was in grade 2. I still use it today instead of buying disposable food containers, which helps me practice to reuse. Lastly, we have recycle. Recycling means sorting and collecting materials that can be processed and made into new products. This pencil holder is made from an empty plastic bottle. Instead of throwing the bottle in the trash, I clean it, cut it, and decorated it to make a useful organizer. By recycling plastic bottles into useful items like this, we can reduce waste, help keep our surroundings clean, and protect the environment. Practicing the 3 R's may seem like a small action, but together they can make a big difference. I promise to continue reducing, reusing, and recycling at home every day. Thank you for watching, and let's work together to keep our home and our planet clean and green. Reduce, reuse, recycle.